Hi and welcome to my next video. So today we're going to be looking at the D minor chord. So as you can probably guess, we're going to need the D, we're going to need F and A. And that is our root inversion because we're starting with the note of the chord. We're looking for a D minor, so we've got D, F and A. If you've watched my previous videos, you'll know that we're going to look at all of the different inversions. So we're going to look at the root inversion, we're going to look at the first inversion and the second inversion. Our root inversion starts with the D on the first note, the F in the second note, and the A in the last note. Again, we can see our pattern of following the 1, 3 and 5 here. Let's move on to having a look at the first inversion. So the first inversion is going to start with the bass note in F. And then we're going to find the next note in our chord, which would be A. And then following the pattern that we've used so far, I'm going to just want to swap these fingers over because it's more comfortable. We're going to use the top D. And there's our D minor chord in the first inversion. So root inversion, first inversion, and finally, let's have a look at the second inversion. So for the second inversion, we're going to put our bass note in the A, our next note is going to be the D, and finally we're going to end on F. So we've got our root inversion, we've got our first inversion, and we've got our second inversion. You can see, just like in the other chords that we've covered, they're all the same notes. They're just in a different order every time. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Join us again next time when we'll be looking at the E minor chord.